Hi guys. Let's start with Sitew. Sitew is a very easy site creator, even for free. But how? 1. Register to create your account. Type your email, your login and a password. Then go to your email and confirm your email address. 2. Enter the name of the site. The chosen title can contain lowercase letters, numbers, dashes and dots. If you opt for a premium or pro package, you will have a domain name of your own. Your address will not end with .sitew.com, but with .com/net or .org. 3. The design. You have the choice of template, colors, fonts and many other options to make your site more attractive depending on the chosen topic. When the frame becomes blue, it means that your choice is validated. 4. Choose a package. You can use free site or free trial for 15 days, the premium and pro packages. Free Sitew, with a max of 5 pages and 500 megabytes of storage space and a gender address, my website .sitew.com. Features website templates with basic content, a menu, text fonts, images, videos, and maps. Premium package, your website will be interactive, comments, music, contact forms, calendar, flash animation. A max of pages with storage up to 6 gigabytes and your own domain name, as an example, www.earnmoneywithus.com. The Pro package, an unlimited number of pages. In addition to starter and premium services, you'll have the storage capacity of up to 20 gigabytes. 5. Publish your website. Before publishing your website, you can change your texts, images, videos, photos, even the template or resize and move the different blocks. With Sitew, your website is simple to create, so good luck. That's all for today. See you in another video.